Hi everybody, my name is Martin McNichol, CEO of Gurus. And today I'm going to answer the question to what exactly is an ERP implementation partner? What do they do? When you're looking into an ERP system like NetSuite, you'll probably hear a lot of buzzwords being thrown around. If you're unfamiliar with the terms like cloud, ERP, NetSuite, and all of the other technical jargon around it, this may sound like a foreign language to you. But let's see if I can help clear up some of the basics. Your ERP implementation partner is not necessarily the same as the company selling you the software. In the same way that you can buy an iPhone from Apple or Best Buy, you can get your ERP implementation done by a licensed reseller that is local, that might also specialize in certain areas and industries that might be more relevant for your needs. For example, at Gurus, we not only offer NetSuite services, but we've also developed a number of best practices and custom solutions available for industries like wholesale, manufacturing, and professional services, including unique solutions for marketplace reconciliation, container management, and engineering to order. These are significant differentiators when it comes down to picking your NetSuite pros. You just look at the studies of failed projects. The partner that you choose to help guide your implementation and integration process will make the difference between a successful and unsuccessful project. They will also stick around to support your team in the future. My pro tips for choosing the right partner is finding a team with experience in your industry and a proven approach to diving deep into your processes before beginning the project. We call this the business process assessment phase. It involves your partner screening your day-to-day processes and sitting down with your executives to evaluate the depth of your requirements. It is the make it or break it factor in your NetSuite project. Now, you want to be 100% certain that you have the right NetSuite partner? We actually wrote a guide on choosing the right fit before taking on a project. Take a look at the link below and download your guide today. And check out my book, Scale Up Your Business with Cloud Technology, a practical guide to future-proof your business. And follow us for more videos on all things NetSuite and cloud technology.